The 2024 Hyundai Tucson, a compact sport utility vehicle, has been awarded the Top Safety Pick Plus designation by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. To achieve this accolade, vehicles must earn good ratings in the small overlap front and updated side tests, and at least a good or acceptable rating in the updated moderate overlap front test. They must also have good or acceptable ratings in pedestrian front crash prevention and headlights across all trims. Tucsons built after March 2024, when Hyundai updated the rear seat belts, meet these criteria, demonstrating strong structural integrity and effective safety features.